Here's the moment of truth to see if I put the hoses in the right spot. I did not, so I'm gonna have to readjust because when I push down, they go up. So hold please. All I have to do is switch these out. There's no pressure on the lines. So just pull this collar back and then move it, put it in this one. So I need 2 hands for that. Good to go. So now I can just push down and it goes down. I am gonna mark those. So I just thin it lightly. Goes all the way down. So now we're gonna Tet hay. PTO will turn the yellow shaft there, which then in turn will make those turn. So I'm gonna put it in gear. There we go. This is spreading the hay out so it dries better, so that we can trail in a couple days, probably Wednesday.